Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kofa. Okay, so in today's video I want to teach you how you can actually create population distribution map. Others call it population density map. Here we are not going to calculate population density. You see, population density maps always the communities are not in points like this. You see, now these communities are in points. Do you get it? These are the points. These are the communities. They are points. But with population density, you see that the population of the area is there, and because they are represented by polygons, then you can use the field calculator to calculate the population density and come up with it. Here we don't have the area of the point, so we can't do population density map. So we can only use the population to do that. So others call it population density map, but here we are just going to use the circles. So the best name for this one is proportional symbol map. Proportional symbol, where we are just using the size of the symbol is proportional to the attributes of its value. Do you get it? So the attributes over here are the populations. So that is the map we are going to do. Population distribution map, proportional symbol map, or maybe indirectly or in relation to the population density map that you know. So to do that, you need the population of the communities. So Efidiase, this is the population of Efidiase, Asokore, Senieja. So under normal circumstance, you just go to the communities attribute table, then you add a new field. I have already added a new field and inputted the population of the communities. So to add a new field, you just go to the attribute table, you just go to this side, this one, then you add the field. Let's say you write population, then you come here, then you choose double or float. So it will come, then you start editing. So you just do start editing. When you start editing, then the best thing what you have to do is that you just go there, then you start inputting the population over there. So that is what I did. So I've already inputted the population of the communities. Our pencil is 1011. So I came here and saw it. So our pencil, this is our pencil 1011. Have you seen that? Yes. So I've already added the field and inputted the population of the various communities against them. So there is no need for me to do it again. I did that because for the time's sake. Do you get it? So that is how I did it. So I've already added the communities. So you can also do that in case you have the populations and you now want to add it. That is how you add the field. You look at the community, then you write its population against it. Do you get it? So the only thing you need is that you need the population of the communities. Either you can get it from the district assembly that you are working with, or maybe Ghana Statistical Service, wherever you will get them. So the key thing is that you need the populations of the communities or the areas you are working with. Yes, so now I have my population. Let us move. So let us proceed. So now that the population is ready, you right click on this communities, you go to properties, then you go to symbology, then you come to quantities. Have you seen quantities? We have graduated colors, graduated symbols, proportional symbols. Do you get it? We used all these three to come up with the proportional symbols or the population distribution map. So if you want to use the graduated symbols, you see the value, you come here. So these are the fields in the attribute table. Have you seen that? Now then we choose the population. After we've chosen the population, then you click OK. You see the colors are small. Let's go back and increase the sizes of the color. You select this, maybe you increase it to 14. This one to 14. This one to 14. This one to 14. This one to 14. Now okay, have you seen that? So now what is it telling us? It is telling us that if you see a community with this color, it means its population is between 113 to 215. And if you see a population with this color, its population is, if you see a community with this color, its population is between 215 to 700. Now let us check Adijawan. What is the population of Adijawan? If we go to the attribute table, the population of Adijawan is 113. Have you seen that? Now all the way to this side, it is saying that if you see a community with this color, it means its population is between 2,875 and 2,800 it's between 2,875 and 28,408. Do you get it? So now let's go back and check Efidiase. What is the population of Efidiase? Efidiase, this is it. Its population is what? 28,000. So have you seen it? So that is it. So let us export this one and see how it will look like. If you want to know how you can design a map after you are done with it, you can check the video. That is the link over there. That video will teach you how you can design a map after you are done with it, to add your scale, your legend, to change the colors, to make the map look very nice. That video will teach you that, so you can check that video out. Here we are just doing this. I just want to export it and see something. So this is colors, graduated colors. So I'll save that one. Now let me go there and check. Have you seen that? So this is it. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Let me add the legend, crap. Let me add the legend. So now let me export it. Have you seen it? So now we know that this color represents this population. This color is having this population. Have you seen that? Yes, so that is it. Now that is the graduated symbol and graduated colors, and how you can use it to create population distribution map or proportional symbol map. So now let us move on to the next one, in case we want to use the different one. And the different one is the graduated symbols. Do you get it? So you go to Symbology. If you don't want the colors, you can choose graduated symbols. Population is already chosen. Okay, let us see something. Have you seen that? So the graduated symbol will give you variations of the circles. So I always like red color. So I'll go there and change the red color. This is it. Okay, now let us choose between 4 and 30. Okay, so now this is it. So now what are we seeing over here? The big circles, their population is between this and this. And if you see a circle like this, its population is between this and this. If you see a circle like this, its population is between this and this. And the small circles, these ones, their population is between this and this. Have you seen that? So now let us go add the levels. Go to the layout view, zoom it. Now delete this one, add this legend. So now let me export it. Let us go and check it. So this is it. Have you seen that? Yes. So now you know that the big circles are having this range of population, are within this range of population, and the other ones in that order. Do you get it? So that is the proportional symbol or population distribution map. You just need the population of the areas and you are good to go. Now let us look at the last one. The last one is proportional symbols, the one I spoke about. Do you get it? Proportional symbols. So if you want to use the proportional symbols, you select that one, you come and choose the population. It will give you just one. Number of symbols to display in the legend. We are choosing 3. Now let us choose color. Let's say, which one should we choose? Let's choose color green. Let's choose color red. Have you seen this? Data view. Let me switch off this. So what are we seeing? It is telling you that the big circles, they are in 10,000 population. These circles, the ones that are a bit small, they are in 1,000 population, while the small circles are in what? 100 population. So for example, if we label the features, let's go back to this. If we label the features, what is the population of Efidiase? The big one, they are in 1,000. If we check the population of Efidiase, it is what? 28,000. So it is indeed in 1,000. Do you get it? What is the population of Asokore? It is 18,000. And what is the population of Motokrodia? It is 200. That is why when you check Motokrodia, this is Motokrodia. Have you seen? It is very small. So it is in 100 population. Do you get it? So this one has arranged them according to populations that are in 1,000, populations that are in thousands, those that are in 10,000, and those that are in what? Hundreds. So now let's come here. You just delete this one, and let's add this legend again. Let me just go back and change the color. You can change the number of classes too, but I prefer this one. Let me choose black. Oh, I should choose blue. And change this one to, let's say, 4. Yeah, so now let me add the legend. So now let us export it. So now this is it. The proportional symbol one will categorize the population between 100,000, 10,000. Then we have this one too, the graduated symbol, which will give you variations of the symbols. Do you get it? Those within this range, those within this range. Then we have this one, which will categorize the population or the communities based on colors. Yes, so that is it. That is how we do the population distribution map, proportional symbol map, or whatever you will call it. Yes, so thank you very much for watching. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel for me and like it. Whilst you are liking it, that will make the video appear on people's timeline for them to watch. So please like the video for me and share it to your friends so that they can also learn it. And you can drop a question in the comment section. Thank you very much once again. My name is Kofi, and I would like to see you in my next video. Bye bye.